Kenya bakoragwa n'umunyakerugo Ahmed Abdullahi nigona barabwa sensemo yabo batumire Engora yabo guciase amate yanyagusira Raila Amolo Odinga abwase boigo gwetrase umunyakerugo basabira kwabira guciase abakenya ase abagabara bandi gutekerana ase umusangirekano uyo okorekana lituko lya rero kuruberia na ali yarachiko korekana ase lituko lyo mweri guse ase umuyiga bwo kumutindeka Raila Amolo Odinga.
You would understand that there are many governors who are actually involved in the actual planning and currently doing various things. Our two deputy party leaders, our chair of the ODM party, they could not be with us here. There are many, many governors. So this is really a tribute to a truly transformational leader. If there was a transformational and charismatic leader in the Kenyan political space in our generation, it was Raila Amolo Odinga. Someone you would just want to follow, not because he's transactional, but you actually believe in the things that he believes in for this country. So, and really, I mean, for the political grievances that he had at personal level, knowing what Kenyan elections have been since 2007, you can see how much he really believed in peace and how much he sacrificed for the sake of peace in Kenya. And he has taught many African leaders that there is nothing worth burning your country for.